Hey, this is the Headset Historian, and today I want to talk about the top strap for the Pimax Crystal. But this isn't actually it, but it kind of is. I'll explain that in a minute. So here it is. This is my Pimax Crystal, and this is the top strap that I got maybe a month ago. So I've been using this for quite a while. I kind of wanted to really make sure that it was as good as I thought it was, and well, I suppose that's a bit of a spoiler for my thoughts on what this is like, but yeah, I wanted to make sure it was good, so I kind of took a good bit of time going over this. You can see, I'll just show you quickly. Also, if you're just wondering, this is just a random back headrest that I've put on here. I find just it's a lot nicer when it cups the bottom of your head. But if you can see, there's the way you connect it on. So it's just two little screws here, and then you use the speaker screw to go through. So there's three screws that connect it on, and it's a pretty good addition to the Pimax Crystal. Actually, I would say it's borderline a mandatory addition. It really probably should just come in the box. If you've already got a Pimax Crystal, I would absolutely go out and buy this. In my mind, the Pimax Crystal now at this stage is not really complete without the D-mass and without the top strap, so they probably should just come with those by default. But anyway, this top strap, it was added in to add extra comfort, and the top strap that I showed just a moment ago, this white one here, you'll notice it's actually the exact same. So it's literally one-to-one, it's the exact same, it's clearly from the same mold. So this one I actually got about a year ago for the Quest Pro, and it had a different adapter on it that would clip onto the sides of the Quest Pro, and you could use it as a top strap. I ended up not actually using this at all because one of the main reasons I had an issue with it was that it would cover the speakers in the Quest Pro, and it wasn't really ideal. What Pimax have done here is they've taken this same head strap design and then they've created these brackets. The brackets are actually 3D printed, so some people might have a bit of a weird thing about that. They might be like, that's not really super professional or something like that, but they're actually really nicely made. So, they are 3D printed parts, but I have no issue with that. And the top strap, it's relatively cheap. I think it costs €20, I think it was. So it's quite cheap. It's a really good accessory. And one interesting thing is that this works with the AKX and stuff as well, because the head strap's the same. These two little screw points that they use, it's kind of hard for me to show you them on camera, but I'll take a photo and put it up on the screen right now. But there's the two little screw points. Those have actually been there the entire time since the earlier headsets, the 5K Super and the AKX. So I'm guessing they added those screws in where they thought, okay, maybe we'll use this for something down the line, or maybe there was originally a different idea for, because what normally goes here is the side padding, so maybe they had a different idea for the side padding that was going to screw in or something, who knows. But obviously they found a good use for it now with the top strap. There's not a huge pile to say. Like, what I will say is you can adjust it forwards and backwards, to kind of get where you want it to be. I find I tend to have it more forward, so I put the head strap on. I still keep on the elastic strap as well. I know a lot of people, they take off this elastic strap and just use this top strap, but I find that having this extra bit here, it just spreads out the weight more, so why not keep it on? I find it more comfortable with it than without it. Why am I pronouncing that so weird? Sorry, I find it really... Anyway, whatever. Moving on. The top strap, you can unclip this rubber part and then put the data cable, or the power cable rather, through here, so that keeps that nice and secure. I feel like it kind of protects it from getting damaged. But what I do is I put on the head strap, I adjust the elastic strap, but this is like already just set to where I want it now, and then whenever I put on the head strap, I tighten it up here, and then sometimes I'll tweak it a bit here. Usually it's kind of about where I want it to be and I just leave it there, but sometimes I'll just tweak it a bit, and I find it really helps center the headset vertically on my face, which is quite nice. And overall, this has been a huge improvement to the comfort on the Crystal. I personally, without this top strap, I found the Crystal, I could use it for a decent length of time, but after about an hour or so it would get quite uncomfortable. With this now, I can use it indefinitely. I've actually been playing a lot of pancake games, if you want to say, using the Unreal Engine injector from PreyDog. So I've been playing like Final Fantasy VII Remake. I'm actually going to make a video about using that injector soon enough. But I've been playing a bunch of games using that injector, so I've been seated playing them in VR, but not in your typical VR way, more of a controller sitting down, kind of just making a normal 2D game more immersive. And this head strap has been brilliant for that. It's been really, really good, but it's also worked really well for more active games. I've been playing Resident Evil 8 also and stuff, and it's been great for that. I will mention briefly that before I had the Apache strap from Creative Form, that strap was great, that went over, but I find this better, to be totally honest. I think both are great choices. If you've already got this strap, then I think that probably gets you 99% of the way there in terms of comfort. This is slightly better. If you don't have either, I would go for this one, to be honest. Go for the official top strap. But if you've already got the Apache strap, then yeah, you're totally good. I think you don't need to run out and grab this. I guess the benefit of the Apache strap is that you can use it for multiple headsets. So if you're someone that does have more than one headset, then that's definitely worth considering. So you might get a better value proposition from the Apache strap. I'll have a link to both items below just so you can see and compare for yourself. Again, as usual, there's no affiliate links here or anything like that. But yeah, quick video. There's not a whole pile to say, just that this works really well. And I was surprised actually by how much it improves the comfort. It's having that adjustable aspect at the top. Honestly, I think having as many adjustable points as possible is pretty key to getting comfort, locked in really well on a VR headset. If you're interested in making your Pimax Crystal more comfortable, absolutely get this. I believe that the top strap comes free with new purchases of the Crystal right now. I won't have any affiliate links or anything, don't worry, just pop on to Pimax's website and check for yourself. But yeah, that's all, and hope you're having a great day. Take care, and I'll see you all soon.